To remove and reinstall the sash and screen in a slider, make sure both locking levers are facing up. Slide the sash towards the center of the frame. With both hands, take the sash, lifting it straight up, tilting the bottom end towards yourself.
To take the screen out, take plungers and hold them out, lightly pushing the weight of the screen to the opposite side. Then tilt the plunger side of the screen in towards yourself. To reinstall the screen, begin with the spring side while simultaneously holding the plungers, not letting go until they are lined and locked into position. To reinstall sash, take both hands, putting the top end of the sash into the pocket first, followed by tilting the bottom part down into the pocket.
Then push the sliding sash close. Push your locking levers down and lock the window.